Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, that is MS Excel. The topics we are going to cover today are adjust column width and protect a cell. How to adjust the column width. Step 1. Move your mouse pointer over the column's right edge in the column header area. Your mouse pointer should change to a double-headed arrow. In step 2, click and drag to the right to expand or to the left to shrink the column width to the size you require. You will now be able to see your entire text. Continue dragging until all the columns are the width you require. How to protect a cell? Step 1. Select all the cells in the worksheet by clicking the Select All button found above the row numbers and to the left of the column headers. Step 2. Press the Ctrl key and the 1 key together on your keyboard to open the Format Cell window. You can also use the Ctrl plus Shift plus F key combination to open the Format Cells window. Step 3. In the Format Cells window, click the Protection tab. Step 4. Uncheck the box for the locked option, then click OK. Step 5. In the worksheet, select the cell you want to lock and protect. Step 6. Open the Format Cells window by pressing the Ctrl plus 1 key combination again. Step 7. Click the Protection tab, check the box for the locked option, then click OK. Step 8. In the menu bar, click the Review tab. In step 9, in the Protect group, click the Protect Sheet option. Step 10. The Protect Sheet window opens. Enter a password for unlocking the protected cells in the password to unprotect sheet text field. Step 11. In the Allow all users of this worksheet to section, make sure only the box for the Select Unlock Cells option is checked. Then click OK. Step 12. Enter the password again in the Confirm Password window and click OK.